girl on Instagram was like making a TikTok. She gets very mad and slapped the boy in the face.